What's up, traders? Welcome back. Today we have a quick update. We're going to look at the bear case versus the bull case. Who's winning? What's going down? Stay tuned. Let's jump into it. Watch this till the very end. We're going to kick it off with the bear case. Here we are looking at the Bitcoin monthly chart. Not what we want to see. 28,990. That is the 2021 open. We do not want to lose this value, period. Flipping this yearly to red will not be a bullish sign. It's been tested twice since this year started. We're not looking for a third time. If we look at MACD, we're seeing waning momentum here on the monthly. This is typical of a loss of bullish pressure. Here we are. This is the third monthly in a row. Unless we see July pick up some buying pressure into the end of the month, things are not looking great. Looking back at Coinbase's history here, each time we've seen momentum wane, we have entered a prolonged selling period, that being the top 2017 and 2019, both flipping buying momentum to selling and seeing lows. On the weekly, 34,750 has been a support level for the weekly here. With this sell-off recently, we're seeing trading below there. Luckily, finding support again at 32,288. However, this has 3 days to go. The weekly not looking great to close in this position. Absolutely going to be a bearish signal. On the daily, this sell-off was a rejection again from the 20 daily moving average. This is a trend setter being rejected not once, not twice, not 3 times, not 4 times, but looking like the 5th rejection from this 20 moving average. Not looking bullish there. MACD on the daily showing us waning buying momentum, adding up to the weekly and the monthly. None of this looks good when you compare it side by side. The bears are dominant right now. It's going to take a move that we don't have yet to change that up. 4 hour, we were building a beautiful pattern. We had a flat top resistance above us sitting at about 35,000. We had an ascending low trend. That is a bullish pattern, or at least has a bias to break to the upside. However, with this sell-off in the last 24 hours, we have lost this pattern, broken to the downside, tested that 32,288. We have a small bounce here. This bounce is not out of the woods yet. We need to see this come up higher. I would like to see this sell above 34,750. A loss of that 32,288, and we are looking for farther downside, looking to test the lows again. That does not bode well for a bull market. The bears seemingly dominating every time frame. We're going to take a look at the bullish case here, at one time frame only. The bullish case, while it's not the strongest case we have, the bears are still not totally in control. Bulls have one breath of life right here. 34,758. We had talked about this was our support level. We're trading below it now. With 3 days and 4 hours left, the bulls still have some ability to be in this game. They need to hold 32,288, and they need to close the weekly above 34,758. If they can do that, we see this level flip to support yet again. That may be enough to see some upside. We have one indicator, MACD, showing us some hope. Despite the monthly and the daily losing buying momentum, the weekly remains waning on selling momentum. What does this mean? Similar to the monthly, when we see this weekly flip over or roll over from buying to selling or selling to buying, it is consistent in its signal. So closing this week in a decent condition, we will have 5 weeks of waning selling momentum. This is the biggest argument on the chart for the bull case, and so we're really going to look for that close. As a special bullish case, we have some charts here that are interesting and did show that in January we may have tested the previous 2017 high. What are we looking at? This is BTC USD in relation to gold. In January, we saw a perfect back test of 2017's high. Perfect. So far, in May to current date, we have not tested that level again. I would like to see that level hold. That may be the redeeming factor for the bulls here in this price consolidation. Watch for BTC USD divided by gold. You can type that in on TradingView. Watch for that to hold the 15.59 level. If it's lost, the bullish argument becomes much rougher. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, jump in the Discord, check out Patreon. Love you all. Hope you're enjoying the summer. I'm trying to take some relaxation time. Bitcoin's not having it. So we'll be back. See you guys soon. Crown out.